I, Rahul Gandhi,
राजेश रंजन और पप्पू यादव,
I, Alfred Kangam Shangshakoshi Arthur,
मैं असदुद्दीन अवैसी,
I, Nilesh Nyandev Lanke, having been elected a member of the House of the People.
That was an NCP Sharad Pawar faction MP from Ahmednagar. His oath was loaded with symbolism, not just because he ended it with a Jai Samvidhan like many other leaders. Why, you may wonder? Well, just keep watching.
जेवढी अंग्रेजी मी बोलली, जेवढी हिंदी मी बोलली, तेवढ्या समोरच्या उमेदवारांनी मी तुम्हाला महिना देतो. पाठ करा, रात्रंदिवस पाठ करा आणि जर एकदम वाक्यरचना तशी केली तर अजून उमेदवारी भैया अर्ज भरायला 20 दिवस आहेत. मी काय अर्ज भरायला जातो.
That was Sujay Vikhe Patil, the BJP candidate from Ahmednagar and son of Maharashtra Minister Radhakrishna Patil. For those unaware of Maharashtra politics, the Vikhe Patil clan is a powerful force to reckon with. Nilesh Lanke beat his rival by over 28,000 votes. He then had the last laugh on June 25th, taking his oath in English. The mini victory was just one of many. NDA, India and the so-called Third Front MPs ended their oaths with pointed slogans. Their chants, from hailing their ideologies to stirring storms, have taken center stage.
जय तेलंगाना, जय फलस्तीन, तकबीर, अल्लाहु अकबर।
जय हिंदू राष्ट्र, जय भारत।
जय हिंद, जय संविधान, जय बांग्ला।
श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी जिंदाबाद, दीनदयाल उपाध्याय जिंदाबाद, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जिंदाबाद, नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद। डॉक्टर हेडगेवार जिंदाबाद।
While Palestine, Hindu Rashtra and Hedgewar made it to the oaths of MPs, the drama had barely begun.
ये संविधान की शपथ है। किस पे आपत्ति नहीं, सलाह मत दिया करो। चलो बेटो।
मणिपुर में न्याय दिलाइए, देश बचाइए। Thank you.
Manipur was back in the eye of the storm. Congress won the 2 Lok Sabha seats in the northeast state, and the oath-taking of MPs was nothing short of dramatic. Even as ethnic tensions continue to pull Manipur apart, the issue will likely be raised by the opposition to corner the government in the 18th Lok Sabha. After all, the 2024 general elections saw not just the BJP losing its majority and the opposition getting stronger, but also the entry of new firebrands. From Mahua Moitra's return after the expulsion in the cash for query case to Chandrasekhar Azad's stunning victory from BSP stronghold Nagira.
नमो बुद्धाय, जय भीम, जय भारत, जय संविधान, जय मंडल, जय जोहार, जय जवान, जय किसान, भारतीय संविधान जिंदाबाद, भारतीय लोकतंत्र जिंदाबाद, भारत की महान जनता जिंदाबाद।
श्रीमती रुचि वीरा।
The Dalit icon's shutdown of the Treasury bench signals what to expect from the coming Sansad sessions. Belligerency was seen even as Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan stepped up to take his oath. Amid the paper leak scandals that have hit the Modi 3.0, chants of NEET accompanied Pradhan to the stage. Even when Prime Minister Narendra Modi stood to take his 3rd consecutive oath, slogans pro and anti greeted the Varanasi MP. In fact, Rahul Gandhi made it a point to stand up and show a copy of the Indian Constitution towards Modi. Since then, Rahul Gandhi has taken charge as the leader of opposition, the first official one in the Lok Sabha in the last 10 years.
I, Rahul Gandhi, Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan.
Then there was the independent for now MP Pappu Yadav. The Punya strongman created waves with his brutal showdown of the Treasury bench, even as some called out his alleged arrogance. Wearing a hashtag #ReNeat t-shirt, Pappu Yadav has gone viral.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद के साथ रीनीट बिहार विशेष राज्य का दर्जा सीमांचल जिंदाबाद, मानवतावाद जिंदाबाद, भीम जिंदाबाद, संविधान जिंदाबाद। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आपसे ज्यादा न 6ठा बार सांसद, आप हमको सिखाइएगा और आप कृपा पर जीते हैं। मैं अकेला लड़ता हूँ। For the time I am the Indian for the time independent MP for the time. You don't not tell me what happened. So I tell me ये भगवान का नाम नहीं।
Not all were controversial though. BJP MP Ravi Kishan managed to make almost all sides crack a smile with how he ended his oath. Even TMC's Yusuf Pathan won hearts, winning from Bengal's Basirhat, but also remembering his home state Gujarat, keeping Bharat first though.
गुरु गोरक्षनाथ महाराज की जय। नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव। जय भोजपुरी।
जय हिंद, जय बांग्ला, जय गुजरात।
The oaths have signaled what's in store. The 17th Lok Sabha saw some of the most high-octane drama, with record suspensions, sloganeering amid allegations flying thick and fast. While a fireworks-loaded session is fun for political watchers, Bharat won't benefit from unnecessary clashes between government and opposition.